join my Key to Gold channel. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update. Question number 1. Who among the following has been appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of RBL Bank? Answer D. Vishwaveer Ahuja. The Reserve Bank of India has approved the appointment of Vishwaveer Ahuja as the Managing Director and CEO of RBL Bank for a one-year period with effect from June 30, 2021. Question number 2. Which of the following states or union territory has launched the YONTAP scheme for students to encourage digital learning? Answer B. Ladakh. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor has launched the YONTAP scheme for students in the Union Territory. It is formulated to encourage digital learning, bridge the digital divide between connected and unconnected, and mitigate the COVID pandemic disruptions. Question number 3. Which state or union territory has launched Knowledge Economy Mission to boost job prospects in the state by supporting knowledge workers? Answer A. Kerala. Kerala government has launched Knowledge Economy Mission to boost job prospects in the state by supporting knowledge workers. Question number 4. What was the revenue collected from goods and services tax in May 2021? Answer C. Rupees 1.03 lakh crore. GST collections at Rupees 1.03 lakh crore for May. The goods and service tax collections for May clocked Rupees 1 lakh 2,709 crore, making it 8th straight month of collections crossing Rupees 1 lakh crore mark. Question number 5. CBSE partners with Dash to introduce coding and data sciences as a new subjects in 2021-22 academic session. Answer A. Microsoft. The Central Board of Secondary Education has collaborated with Microsoft to introduce coding as a new subject for students of class 6 to 8 and data science as new subject for class 8 to 12 in the 2021-22 academic session. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Answer D. Vivek Ram Chaudhary. The Indian Air Force will see a number of changes at the top as Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary has been appointed as the next Vice Chief of Air Staff in the Air Headquarters. Question number 7. Which of the following group recently joined with the Energy Investment Program of Bill Gates to boost green technology? Answer D. EU. The European Union and an energy investment program founded by Bill Gates plan to raise up to $1 billion to roll out the low carbon technologies Europe is betting on to meet its climate change goals. Question number 8. Which of the following has devised an online tracking portal Bal Swaraj for children? Answer A. NCPCR. In view of the growing problem related to children affected by COVID-19, the National Commission for Protection of Children's Rights has devised an online tracking portal Bal Swaraj for children in need of care and protection. Question number 9. World Environment Day is observed globally on Dash every year. Answer C. 5th June. World Environment Day is observed globally on 5th June every year. This day is observed to raise awareness about protecting the environment and to remind people not to take nature for granted. Question number 10. Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Shri Thawarchand Gehlot virtually launched an initiative called? Answer D. SAGE. The Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Shri Thawarchand Gehlot virtually launched an initiative called SAGE, Senior Care Aging Growth Engine, on June 4, 2021, and also the SAGE portal to support India's elderly persons. Question number 11. Which of the following state has retained the top rank in Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2020-21? Answer A. Kerala. Kerala has retained the top rank in Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2020-21. Kerala retained its rank as the top state with a score of 75. Question number 12. Which company has become the third Indian IT firm to scale rupees 3 trillion market capitalization? Answer A. Wipro. Wipro has touched rupees 3 trillion in market capitalization for the first time, becoming the third Indian IT firm to achieve the milestone after Tata Consultancy Service and Infosys. Question number 13. What is the rank of Indian men's hockey team in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings? Answer D. 4th. In hockey, the Indian men's team maintained their 4th position in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings. Question number 14. What is the rank of Indian women's hockey team in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings? Answer C. 9th. The women's team held to the 9th position in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings. Question number 15. Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurates Indus Best Mega Food Park in? Answer A. Chhattisgarh. Union Minister for Food Processing Industries Narendra Singh Tomar virtually inaugurated the Indus Best Mega Food Park along with Bhupesh Baghel, Chief Minister Chhattisgarh, and in presence of Rameshwar Teli, Union Minister of State for Food Processing Industries. Question number 16. Name the Indian Navy's hydrographic survey ship which decommissioned after serving the nation for 40 years. Answer B. Sandayak. Indian Navy's hydrographic survey ship Sandayak would be decommissioned after serving the nation for 40 years. Question number 17. When is the World Pest Day observed? Answer D. 6th June. Every year, the World Pest Day, also sometimes called World Pest Awareness Day, is observed on 6th June. Question number 18. Who among the following gets 2-year extension as RBI Deputy Governor? Answer A. Mahesh Kumar Jain. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the reappointment of Mahesh Kumar Jain as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India for 2 more years with effect from June 22, 2021. Question number 19. Who among the following has approved the $500 million program to help boost India's MSME sector? Answer D. World Bank. The World Bank's Board of Executive Directors has approved a $500 million program to support India's nationwide initiative to revitalize the MSME sector, which has been heavily impacted by the COVID-19 crisis. Question number 20. Which institute is at the top among the Indian institutes in the top 100 of the Asia University Ranking 2021? Answer B. IISc Bangalore. Times Higher Education Asia University Ranking 2021. 3 Indian universities secured position in the top 100 list. IISc Bangalore, IIT Ropar, and IIT Indore have secured ranks among the top 100 universities in Asia. Question number 21. World Oceans Day is celebrated every year on? Answer D. 8th June. World Ocean Day is observed globally on 8th June every year. This day is observed to raise global awareness about the importance of the ocean in our lives and the ways through which we can protect it. Question number 22. Which state has recently topped in the National Performance Grading Index of School Education for 2019-20 that released by the Centre? Answer D. Punjab. Punjab topped the National Performance Grading Index of School Education for 2019-20 released by the Centre. Question number 23. Who among the following is appointed as the new chairman of the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board? Answer B. Sanjeev Nandan Sahai. Senior Administrator and former Power Secretary Sanjeev Nandan Sahai is elected as the new chairman of the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. A search committee headed by V.K. Saraswat member Niti Ayoga cleared the names of Sahai. G7 has recently signed a deal on minimum global corporate tax. As per the deal, the minimum global tax rate would be at least dash. Answer C. 15%. Group of 7 advanced economists signed a landmark deal on taxing multinational companies. As per the deal, the minimum global tax rate would be at least 15%. Question number 25. Who has assumed charges as the Director General Naval Operations? Answer B. Rajesh Pendarkar. Vice Admiral Rajesh Pendarkar, AVSM VSM, has assumed charge as Director General Naval Operations. Question number 26. India's first international maritime service cluster at? Answer A. Gift City, Gujarat. Gujarat Maritime Board will set up the country's first international maritime services cluster at Gift City. The maritime cluster will be developed as a dedicated ecosystem comprising ports, shipping, logistics service providers, and government regulators, all present in the same geographic vicinity. Question number 27. Who has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India? Answer B. Anup Chandra Pandey. The Union government has appointed Anup Chandra Pandey, a retired IAS officer of the 1984 batch, Uttar Pradesh cadre, as Election Commissioner. Question number 28. RBI has granted approval for the reappointment of Dash as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank. Answer B. Chandrasekhar Ghosh. The Reserve Bank of India has granted approval for the reappointment of Chandrasekhar Ghosh as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank for a period of 3 years. Question number 29. Which bank became second globally to offer SWIFT GPI instant cross-border inward remittance facility? Answer D. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank on June 2nd announced that it has tied up with SWIFT to offer instant facility for cross-border inward remittance. Question number 30. The World Bank has projected India's economy to grow at a % in 2021. Answer C. 8.3%. The World Bank has projected India's economy to grow at 8.3% in 2021 and 7.5% in 2022. If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.